Morning dear students, welcome to the class. So today we are going to do something different, final revision assessment. I will be providing you with certain assessment sheets in which you have to complete the exercises as instructed. I will be providing you with different assessment sheets of different subjects such as GK, Art, Hindi, English and Math. So in this video I will be explaining all the assessment which I have given you for further evaluation. So let's get started with the English assessment. So students, now let's get started with the first paper. This is match the following. You have to match the letter with the picture. I am not explaining much as this is an assessment sheet. You just have to match the picture with its starting letter. Now the second is A to Z tracing, capital A and small a. Just like that you have to trace till capital Z and small z. Now in this sheet again you have to join each letter with the beginning sound of these animals. For example, E will be joined with the picture of elephant as the word elephant starts with E. Now comes the Hindi assessment. The first one is नीचे दिए गए खाली स्थानों पर अ से अंग तक के स्वर लिखिए. You have to see the picture and write the akshar down in the clouds, the space given below. Now the next sheet is matching. Match the akshar with the picture. Now students, you have done it in the copy. You know how to do it. You just have to take the printout and do the work. Now the next is swar. Here you have to trace a se ah tak in this sheet and nothing else you have to do. This is very easy. Now the next is maths assessment. So the first is count the cupcakes in each box and match with the correct number. You have to count the cupcakes and match with the counting of the same number. Alright, you have to match 4 cupcakes with the number 4. Now the next is counting. Count the objects and write the numeral beside the picture. You have to count the object and write the numeral in the box given beside. Alright children, it's also very easy. Now the next is count and write below. Now there is a space provided, a sleeping line over there. There you have to count and write the number. Now the next is art assessment. So in art assessment, the first assessment sheet which you have to color is this, a set of 3 balloons. So students, you can use your own imagination while coloring. Now the next is apple tree. Here you have to color these apples and the tree according to the colors which are usually used for it. Apples should be colored in red and tree with green and brown. Now the next is GK assessment. Children, in GK we have read a lot of different chapters such as fruits and vegetables, our body parts, shapes and colors, etc. So I have picked up a few coloring sheets for you related to these chapters. The first is this, pear and grapes. Now you have to trace both the fruits and color them accordingly. The pear will be colored with green and grapes with purple or green. The next is shapes. So you can see different shapes over here. You have to trace them and color them of your own choice. Alright student, this is all. Thank you so much.